Tornadoes, the planet's most dangerous weather phenomenon. They can arrive at all hours of the day, wreaking havoc across its path and leaving nothing but destruction behind. They can range from just 100 yards wide to as large as 2.5 miles wide, and can last anywhere from a few seconds to perhaps a few hours on the rarest occasion. And wind speeds can go as high as 300 miles per hour. Tornadoes are violent, rotating columns of air that extend from the base of a thunderstorm to the ground, and they need a few ingredients to form. First is warm, moist air, usually coming from the Gulf of Mexico. The second air mass is colder air coming from Canada, and right where they clash, tornadoes form. And that's the exact reason Tornado Alley occurs right in the heart of the nation. You can see the average tornadoes per year are well above 5 to 10 tornadoes down near Oklahoma and down into Texas. So how do tornadoes form exactly? Well, when those two air masses clash, that's when we see lift within the atmosphere. Clouds form, storms form, and you begin to see a nice inflow in wind speed here. We call it wind shear, and usually those winds begin to shift with height and move up updrafts, and then a downdraft can help push the tornado down to the surface. Tornadoes aren't very common on Delmarva, but they do occur occasionally. Virginia averages 11 tornadoes per year, Maryland averages 7, and Delaware averages 1 tornado per year. Most Virginia and Maryland tornadoes occur just west of the Bay Bridge, but that's just a fraction of what the United States sees as a whole, which is around 1,000 tornadoes per year. They're classified by the enhanced Fujita scale from EF0 to EF5, where winds could go higher than 200 miles per hour. Tornadoes are most common during the spring and early summer months of April, May, and June. Some schools on Delmarva participate in tornado drills in order to make sure the students and staff are fully prepared in case of a tornado touchdown.
There's a tornado warning. Please seek shelter. There's a tornado warning. Please seek shelter.
Students at Pinehurst Elementary in Salisbury ran such a drill in early April. Tim Peak is a teacher at Pinehurst Elementary and explains the process.
We'd walk in between the middle of the school. There's 2 walls. They would get down on their knees, put their hands on top of their head, and take cover. It's important that they know what to do because the tornado is so dangerous. So for them to be able to move quickly, promptly, and know exactly how to execute the tornado drill at this school.
Not only should schools be prepared, but so should your home and your business. If you're inside as a tornado approaches, go to an interior room away from windows and try to get to the lowest part of your house or in a bathroom. And try to have a plan with your family in case of a disaster. So we've covered what to do if you're inside during a tornado, but there is also another possibility. In a worst case scenario, if you're stuck on the road in your car, you can do one of 2 things. Stay in the car, buckle up, and keep your head below the windows, or the best case is actually exit your vehicle and go into a low-lying ditch if available, and be sure to cover your head for safety. One thing I have learned as a meteorologist is that some people don't quite know the difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning. So I went out to ask people if they knew, and I was pleasantly surprised by their answers.
Tornado watch is that we think there's something in the area, so be aware. A warning is we have signs that there could be something and to take cover.
Should you take cover during a tornado watch or a tornado warning?
Tornado warning.
A tornado watch simply means you should take watch of the weather and for the potential of a tornado. A tornado warning means you must take action and take cover immediately because a tornado has been spotted nearby or it is indicated on radar. The difference between knowing and not knowing what to do during a tornado emergency can mean life or death. With your weather awareness segment, Daniel Johnson, 47 ABC.